welcome back to Nafi's Not Facing Garden. One of my lovely subscribers asked me to do an update on my Desdemona Rose, and today I thought to do a quick update from the last time, probably 2021. I haven't shown Desdemona. Desdemona Rose has settled quite well in the ground, and this year it's grown really tall. I think it's about my shoulder height, 5'3". But the impressive thing, although I did a really hard prune, it's sort of sent up this long shoots which are bearing clusters of the ever so delicate globular blooms, and the bloom is all the way from the bottom of the bush to the top. As you can see, there are still buds that haven't opened yet, but you can see it always starts with this a cream tinge of peach. I don't know if the camera is capturing it quite well, but the blooms are ever so delicate, globular. There, that tinge of cream, buttery shade, and then it fades into white. It's really lovely, and it has a faint sweet smell. In fact, the bush is so large, there's flowering all the way down there and back there and there. But I'm really loving my border. Quite congested, but the plants are not complaining, neither am I. And I really love the bush. It's sharing a tight corner here with the ever so glamorous Princess Alexander of Kent Rose, which this year, I don't know, I think it wins the largest bloom sizes in my garden. This is one bloom, as you can see. I don't know if this camera is doing justice, but this is a very heavy bloom. But that comes at a cost of rain damage. That's a deadheading. And again, another massive, beautiful, sweet smelling bloom. More buds waiting to open. But yes, I'm loving the bush this year. We've had really hot weather, so I think roses love it. Some of them are less happy because my gotten singed, I think, by the hot weather. But yes, that's Desdemona. Beautiful English shrub rose. It's probably white, but I believe it's got a cream undertone with some peach. And thanks for watching. Bye.